Okay. Stage 2, background research. To investigate issues concerning location, usage, and function of building. So based on information, yeah, from the first visit, then yeah, we go back, we back to our office, yeah, to study the background. Yeah, in this background, yeah, it include hazard, it include development policies with local authority, yeah, that I mentioned, which unit or which committee or which authority, which agencies that we need to, yeah, get assistance. Is it from the local authority? Is it from electrical? Is it maybe from fire department, yeah, and so on, to prepare for inspection process. That's stage 2. Okay, this is what I mentioned about, yeah, getting information from residents. Why it is important? Because, yeah, from this conversation with residents or from this interview with residents, we know what the problem. Because nobody else other than residents that know exactly, that know very detailed the problem of that building. We never knows what the problems in the toilet. We never knows what the problems in the lift, or we never know the problems of safety. Yeah, for example, yeah, some buildings got very serious corroding along the railing of the staircase, which is very serious. And residents, they are those who know very detail. They know at every angle in their building, yeah, that they are concerned on safety. They know at every angle of the drainage system that is blocked. They also know in every angle of the surrounding building, yeah, that got a slope problem or settlement problem. Yeah, sometimes, yeah, in one block of the apartment or the building, yeah, uh, normally it consists of 100 units. 100 units. Each unit got 4 rooms, for example. And if you have 5 buildings in one residential area, yeah, you can imagine there are 500 units or 500 houses. Every house will have 4 rooms. So you can imagine thousands of units, and you can imagine thousands of column, slab, and beam. You can imagine also thousands of lighting, hundreds of staircase, and how many kilometers of drainage. So this is the importance of oral conversation with the resident. Okay, documentation. I think I have mentioned some documentation. Drawing, any report, any agreement and guarantee. Yeah, this is what is it? Any guarantee or agreement, for example, agreement on the service for lift, service for what? Yeah, for toilet or for cleaning. What's the guarantee? What the agreement? And service for maybe repair. Yeah, then proofing for painting. Yeah, and many type of repair for electrical repair. We have to check is if it is available agreement and guarantee. Yeah, uh, yeah, service charge. Yeah, operating manual. This operating manual is for, yeah, maybe pumping system. Yeah, to raise the water from the ground to the roof. Utility service bills. Yes, service bill. This is for electrical or water. Yeah, also for maybe gas pipe. From the bills, we know that, we can know that is there any problem for the bills. And area boundary. Historical, I think I just skip, yeah, because I have mentioned just now. Yeah, I just go briefly here. Archive materials, yes. Graphic material, published material, library and museum. Yeah, this is about history. Yeah, okay. And then stage 3, visit. Yeah, visual inspection. Visual inspection. So this is the real the most important part of the building condition assessment. So a thorough visual survey condition of a building is important point here. So before we go for inspection, we must plan the inspection by giving briefing and explanation and even maybe a lecture to our team. What is meant by visual inspection of the building or structure? We have to make sure that our team are of competent personnel that has basic knowledge of science and engineering, or maybe at least building, yeah, building surveyor. If our team they are only architect, that means we must limit their job just to inspect the architect or non-structural only. So we have to, yeah, organize the team.